This is the new car. Welcome back to another episode of Pro Drive-By. This week we're doing the front bar. That is the rear bar. Pretty much all done. Just got to do a couple of things. Ended up doing that corner. Just got to put the bracket on that corner. I got to find one actually. I don't have one. I do, but it's on the car. Oh, I want to show that. And I got to do something else that I can't remember. But anyway, bit of backstory if you didn't know. I had an accident front and rear, and just before I had the accident, I did buy a broken Jdm Sti Forester kit, body kit, which I have been repairing. So instead of stock kit going back on, this is getting painted and going on the car. So rear bar, we do have the front bar here. So this is what it looks like. It is pretty damaged. Big hole, crack, dent, crack, crack, and some more shit. And then yeah, if you haven't seen the other episodes, I fixed the front of the car, changed the rad support, and repaired this bar. They are both separate videos, so go check those out and see what's going on. But yeah, just going to get straight into it because I am running late on time to get these done. So what we're pretty much going to do is I'm going to staple as much as I can. I think I'm going to run out of staples, so I did buy some a while ago. They should be here pretty soon. But we're going to staple as much as we can. Yeah. Also, take these things off to repair the bar. But yeah, I reckon this is going to be the hardest bit to repair. Oh, it's all split all the way up there. Just because it's like, they're a flat line, as you see here. So I reckon that's going to be the hardest, but we'll try our best. I'm going to get these bolts out too. I don't even know if I have those security bits. But yeah, just going to jump straight into it and start stapling it together. Alright, so I've got the bar propped up to hold the crack together. And then we ran out of staples. But I got some more. So let's get back into it.
They don't like me. They just want to fight me. Ha, they don't like you. Sure you want to bite me.
Oh, we're back. Alright. Wearing a hat due to not having a haircut. It's early in the morning, it's like 5 degrees. The car is frosty. But onto the bar. So last time we got all that stitched up all the way across. It's not too pretty there, but oh well, you don't see it. And it's holding itself up. Doesn't need the tape anymore without it falling apart. Got to go around and do some more. We've got to push that in because that's curling the bar in a little. As you can see here, it's kind of pinched. Yeah, crack there, crack there. Cracks all across here. Couple cracks down there. Probably another crack somewhere. We also got to pull these things off. They're just riveted on. So we can get to them. I'm going to fix the mounting tabs as well somehow. But yeah, on the orange juice now. No more energy drinks, no more caffeine, because it makes me go cuckoo. Oh. Orange juice with freshly brushed teeth. Alright, I think we're all done. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Is that 12? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 cracks, and there's still a couple more, but I think we're all done on the cracks anyway. What we've got to do is we've got to go around. Oh, there's another one there, so I can't remember what we're up to. So we've got to go around and cut all of these little tabs off, just with some side cutters, like so, and these things go flying, so I've got to watch my eyes. Like that. I'm gonna go around and cut them all, and then bought a new tool. This shit wants to get out the way. Bought this little whizzer, so I can get in there, and I can't even get in there. So I can get in there and just buzz it all up, so the glue will stick to the plastic nice. Alright, we're back a couple days later, and everything is glued. I had to do it because it likes to drip, as you can see, so I had to like flip the bar around a couple times. I didn't do all the splits, only the most ones, like I didn't do those ones in there, and I did a couple. There's one in there I didn't do, but yeah, did those ones. But there's a rivet in there too. What I can do now is I'm actually going to fix this dent first. I'm going to push this dent out, and there's another dent there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand and grind a good square out of here and in here, and I'm going to fiberglass it to strengthen this big crack up. Oh, this has been sitting here for a while. This is from my first bumper bar video. If you haven't seen that, that was a long time ago. That was like 2 years ago. Yeah, we've got enough fiberglass here. So what I'm planning on doing, I've got to scuff all this up. I pushed most of it out. I've got to scuff most of this up so the fiberglass can stick to it. I'll probably be putting from like here down to here and all the way up to the top, just to really support the bar, like so. But yeah, if you haven't done fiberglass, it's pretty fun. I should be wearing gloves, but I don't have any. Hopefully it's still alright in there. It's been like 2 years. There it is. Rightio. Alright, so that got a little messy. I don't know what the fuck happened then. I completely destroyed the tin because it wouldn't open. And then I was just making a mess. I only put one sheet in. I probably could have put more than one, but fuck it, it'll do. So that's all in now. As you can see, pretty easy to put it in. But that'll probably do it for this episode of Project Driveway. Next week, we're bogging that bar up. So, dust everywhere and me screaming. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. That was a bit of a messy episode because I was just running around and it was over the course of like 3 weeks. But, hopefully you learned some new tricks about the glue and the fiberglass. And check out the video that we posted like 2 years ago on the front bar, which is a custom front bar. But yeah, to the next episode. Keep on mooing.